Excuse me? I booked a room here a week ago, and now your system says there's no reservation. This is unacceptable.
I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, Mr. Kiel. Let me check our system again. And can you please show me the booking details for me?
I booked a deluxe suite for 3 nights. My confirmation email should be in your records.
I understand how frustrating this must be. I'll do everything I can to resolve this quickly. Would you mind showing me the email while I check our system again?
Here.
Thank you. I'm bringing in our manager, Renz, to assist you further.
Good morning, Mr. Kiel. I apologize for this issue. Let's get this sorted out immediately. We appreciate your patience.
I just don't understand how this happened. I have an important business meeting for tomorrow, and I need a room.
I completely understand. We will make sure you have a comfortable stay. Mary, are there any available suites?
Upon checking our system, all deluxe rooms are booked. However, we have an upgraded executive suite available.
Since this was our mistake, we would happy to offer a complimentary upgrade. Would that be acceptable?
It sounds fair. I appreciate you making it right.
Mr. Kiel, as an apology for the inconvenience, we'd also like to offer you a complimentary breakfast and a free spa session during your stay.
Wow, that's a nice touch. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. I'll have the executive suite prepared immediately and it will be spotless and ready in 10 minutes.
Thank you, Jenny. We truly appreciate your patience, Sir Kiel. Please enjoy your drink, eat up our lunch, while finalize everything.
That sounds great. I really appreciate the effort.
Mr. Kiel, I'm happy to inform you that your executive suite is now ready. Here's your key card. Your room is on the 10th floor, suite 1012.
That's great to hear. Thanks for handling everything so smoothly.
We're truly sorry for the inconvenience earlier. We appreciate your patience. If there's anything else you need during your stay, please don't hesitate to let us know.
Excuse me, sir. I personally escort you to your suite and make sure everything is to your satisfaction. This way, please. Welcome to your executive suite. Please take a look around and let me know if everything meets your expectations.
This is perfect. I really appreciate the upgrade and the extra effort.
Thank you, sir.
I just wanted to know if your room is in tough condition and if you need anything else, just let us know.
I really appreciate it. Thanks again, everyone.
Thank you, sir, and please enjoy your stay in our hotel.